Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Curiosity Unlimited. Today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and change a 3-pin plug socket yourself like this. So I'll just open it and I'll show it to you. A plug like this. So there may be times when you are unable to use a 3-pin plug because of any kind of issues that it's loose or something, and you may need to call an electrician. So let me show you today how you can do it yourself. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do click on that subscribe button, and if you enjoy watching the video or if you find it helpful, do click on the like button. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is the socket that I'm saying that is not working properly. So I'll show it to you. If I plug in this, switch it on, plug in this, I'll switch it on. You see there is no light here, right? But when I move it a bit, you see there is a light here. So the problem is that couple of pins in this socket, or one of the pins in any of these three sockets, are not working properly, and there's no way to do anything unless you open the whole unit out and the back side as well. So this is the new one that I'll fit it here, but see, everything else is in a proper case. So you have to open this casing to get this pins out, and then you have to fix it. So rather than doing that, I'm just going to replace this pin with this. It's new, it's universal pin, so I'll just do that. So I'll show you how you open it. Now this is for this brand, Legrand. So it might be different for some other brands. Okay, and the tools that you require is a screwdriver and a tester. So why do you require a tester? Let me show you. So if I put it in, I just switch off the flash. See, I don't see a light here anywhere. Okay, if I put it in this, there is a light. You see, so the pin is working. It's just that it's just moved from its place or got loose or something. So now let's open this casing. Once you open this casing, and then we'll have to remove this pin and change it. So I have got the house painted, so I will have to scrape that paint to get this off. That's out now. What we need to do is open the pin, open the 3-pin. Okay, now I'll just take the camera a bit back so you can see it, and I can go ahead and remove that. Now you see we have to remove this pin, but to do that you have to make sure that you don't touch the live wire. This is the live wire. Okay, I touch it here, I can see there is a light in the tester, so it shows me that it's a live wire. How do I do that now? Right, so first what we will need to do is remove this whole pin. okay, this thing from here. But before that I'll have to remove the other connections as well. So this one neutral and this is the ground. Okay, you have to remove this, put it in this. If you see here, you can see this is live, this is ground. Focus, this is live, this is ground, and this is neutral. So it will go like this. The neutral ones goes into the neutral one, ground ones into the ground, and the live ones into the live. So let me now just go ahead and put it first. Once you connect the sockets in it and then you remove the pin, that will be fine. So just tight so that it doesn't come out like this. It should be tight. Again, now I'll just keep it here because now we have to remove the live one. Now if you touch the live wire anywhere, there is a risk of getting a shock. So what I'll do is I'll first remove it and put it there. Have the wire in there, just make sure that it's okay. Stay in. So it's in. It's a bit loose, so I'll just have to make sure that it does not come out. Okay, now it's not coming out. Now I can keep this here and I'll have to remove the other one. Okay, so because the space was a problem, this wire is too small, I've removed the wire from here and put it in there directly. So now I get space to remove this. So let's see how we can remove it. Now it's just a click, click somewhere that you have to just do so it will come out. Yeah, it's here. You see, here you have to put it in and it comes out. Do that again. If you can see it, just do a click here and fall off. See, now to put that in again, we have to do it from this side. So I'll have to remove the wires so that I can put it from this side. I'll put it back in again. It's just a click that you have to do, so it will pop in. There you go. Now this thing, first you have to connect it to the switch. Then connect the ground and the neutral one. Okay, so now we have put all the pins, all the wires in, and the pin is also properly in. So let's just check if it's working, if we are getting a light. So just put this back in. Okay, it's in now, but there's no light because the switch is off. And switched on. Now there's a light. No matter how I move it, there will always be a light. So now our pin is installed and fit properly. We can just go ahead and plug that thing back in. that is now connected. Let's just see if it is working again. Okay, so we are getting a light here. So it's looking like it's blinking here, but it's actually not blinking. It's quite stable. So there you go, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned something new. So if you would like to see more videos, you can click on the buttons here, and please click on the circle here to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.